everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today it's time to do my first checkup on my project pan for the year of 2021. So let's get started. I have everything written down. I'm weighing products this time around. I have a little scale that can weigh grams. And so yeah, and this is a rolling project pan, so what I use up, I will roll something back in its place until I just feel like there's nothing I really can roll in anymore. Now, let's get into it and go over everything. First on my list was my Becca primer in Velvet. Let me find it. Here it is. I am not going to weigh it. It weighed 230.9 grams last time. I have not used this at all, so therefore no need to weigh it. So that one is still the same amount. Next was this Milk primer in the Hydro Grip. It's used up. It's all gone. Let me grab my pen. I will mark it. It is gone. Used up. So I will be rolling something else in its place. So that one is gone. Next is the Becca highlighter. Here we are. This one is the Backlight Priming Filter. It still weighs the same because I have not touched this, so no need to reweigh it. So we'll just stick that back in there. The Essence Eyeshadow Primer. Oh, I need to grab another thing. This I'm taking out of the project because it's turned. It's gotten icky. It doesn't perform well on my eyes, and so it gets flaky, and it's time. It's just gonna go away. So I didn't grab anything for that, so we're gonna be short an item, but I don't think it really matters how many items I have. We'll just keep going. Next, this is the Trestique highlighter in the Maldives. Now I marked on the lid where it was to begin with, and I didn't bring a marker in here. So I'm gonna put the lid. That's where we are now. So I've used a bit. So, and that's how much is left. So I will mark this. But yeah, I feel very pleased with how well that one's coming along. Next is my Clinique blush. Here we go. I have used this a couple times, but not a whole lot. That's where my mark was before. Let me see. It's a little bit below it, just a little bit. Like I said, I've used it a couple of times, but not a whole lot. I need to use it more. But I will remark that, and we'll put that down. Okay, next is my Tarte gel eyeliner. And am I weighing this? I am. So I did hit the bottom. Do you see that? There's daylight shining through. It weighed 519 grams last time, I think. We turn it on. Yeah, let's see where we're at now. I must have measured wrong last time. So I'm going to take a picture of this. And I will put it up on the screen while I'm editing. Can I see that? There we go. There's where we can read it. 33.53. I don't know what I had. Maybe that was 51.9 and I put the decimal in the wrong place. So this time it's 33.53. Okay? But yeah, I've used that and I'm very pleased that I can see light through the bottom. Okay, next was my Maybelline foundation. I don't have to weigh it because I used it all up. Yay! I'm very happy. This I will repurchase. It's $11.99. I almost bought it the other day, and I'm like, I'm on a no-buy. I'm on a no-buy, which officially today, well, yesterday, well, when am I putting this video up? Probably Tuesday. So officially Monday, I'm no longer on a no-buy. But I'm like, no, I have other things to use. Don't buy it right now. So, there, that one can go. Next is the Perricone foundation. Again, I'm removing this from my project pan because it's turned. It is an ugly color on me now, and it's not laying good on my skin. And it is, it expires in February. And man, boom, February, it's done. So yeah, that is absolutely the truth. So that one I'm just taking out, And then, oh, I skipped the MAC Prep and Prime. Last time this weighed 142.7. I might have had it on the wrong thing. Sounds like I did. Let's see what it is now. Yeah, I had it on the wrong thing. So it's now 8.34 grams. Okay. So I will weigh the other items since I got my grams. I probably had it set wrong. There we go. I have used some of this. There you go. Now, the color wheel. I have been focusing on these two shades, and I hope you can see the pattern is wearing off. I hope you can tell. I'm using this as, I'm using that as like an all-over bronzer slash blush. And then I had been using this as a highlighter. I don't like that as a highlighter. I think I'm actually going to stop using that pan altogether because I don't really care for that. But I'm using that one color, and see, and you can see this one hasn't been touched. I've got to use this. So yeah, that's where I'm at on that. But I am proud that I have used some of the that wheel. I've been using it quite often, actually, every time I do my makeup. Now I'm going to add 3 things into this project. First is my Cover FX Power Play foundation. Let me see how much it weighs. It's 56.76 grams. So I'm going to add that to my list. $56.76. Okay. I'm adding my Tarte Shape Tape in medium. I had this in a project pan before. This really needs to go. One, it's too dark for me. I can almost see the bottom. I mean, it is so close to being gone. So I really, really want to use this one up. The medium is too dark for me. I'm starting off at 27.98 grams. So 27.98. Okay. Photo of that. Okay. And then last is a lipstick. And this is a small Tarte lipstick in Park Avenue Princess. That's how much I have to use up. I will mark it on the lid. And there we go. So that's where we're at. I need to reweigh a couple things. See, I got things out of whack here. That way. Okay. I'm going to reweigh a couple things so we'll have an accurate weight. So yeah, guys, thank you all for joining me on this. I love to do project pans because it makes me use items and get them out of my collection. If not, I probably would just let that color wheel sit. I probably, like this Shape Tape has just been sitting in my drawer. I need to get these out. Need to use them and get them out. Makes me feel better. Makes me feel like I haven't wasted my money. And that's why I'm on a low buy. It's mainly because I have so many products. One, I don't want to pack them and move them. And two, I don't like to see a lot of waste. And there's been a lot of waste in my life in the past. So I need to be more conscious of that. So guys, again, thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.